Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cool slow motion reverse video edit background on CapCut PC. So just select any video for the foreground. It is better if like the background and foreground are filmed in the same place, but I only have videos like this, so we'll just go with that. I'm just going to use this train as a background. Select your video on top and select auto cutout. And then you're going to go to speed, you're going to then go to curve, and you're going to select where you want the slow motion to start. I'm just going to put this kind of like in the middle and add smooth slow motion and add in optical flow. You can also add in reverse to it if you'd like to. Once you're done processing it, you're just going to right click, create compound clip. I'm just going to wait for it to process a little bit. Hold on. Still processing. It does take a few minutes to process. So once you're done, you're going to right click. Is it done now? There we go. Create compound clip. And then you're going to copy and paste it. And you're going to select the reverse button to it. And that's pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!